I'm so scared. Don't.
You don't have any like outward appearance of being scared. So you're like, I'm so scared right now.
He's like, do I believe you?
Your body language and your tone of voice is just not convincing. So if you're afraid, you definitely fooled me. And again, you're gonna get up in the end and be like, really?
That was me. Just a couple minutes ago.
That's all that little thing is?
Isn't my stomach a little bit too like?
No, it's perfect.
Thick?
It's yeah, it's
It's
definitely
perfect.
it's definitely great.
It's perfect for Zeke.
There's something in your teeth. I don't know. It's like on your tooth.
So let me know if I'm blocking your view.
Nope, you're great there. Just not much more closer than that. That's the only thing.
Don't worry, Shirley. You got this. I
I'm
did it.
scared of needles.
There's no needles. Look, you're not even. There's no needles.
Okay.
There's no needles.
Whenever you are ready, just take a nice big deep breath in
Wait. Shirley, it's okay. Deep breath in.
and let it all out. Pinch and pressure. Perfect.
Good job, Shirley.
Felt it.
Good job. And
Just gotta put the bead
I almost wanted to chicken out,
Now,
guys.
Shirley, look, it's in, and he's just gonna put the bead on, and you're gonna be golden.
I almost chickened out.
You always almost chicken out.
and it is.
You know what? That was less painful than my nose.
I told you. I didn't feel it.
Oh, the nose is.
I hated my nose piercing. That girl hurt me so bad, I cried.
Noses are usually pretty pinchy though.
Yeah, but Shine didn't cry. Well, she
You didn't
almost fainted.
cry. You teared up, but we all tear up.
No,
Yeah,
like,
that usually just
like,
happens. It's nose, you bump your nose a bit, your eyes water up, and that kind of
No,
stuff.
I
but-
cried.
So it was actually pretty bad.
I was like,
Surely it's so pretty.